In today's video, I'm starting to teach you how to void Xero Invoice. Voiding an invoice in Xero is useful when an issued invoice shouldn't be collected. Maybe it was raised by mistake or the details have changed entirely. Unlike deleting, voiding keeps the invoice for your audit trail while removing it from amounts owed and reporting totals. Before we begin, make sure the invoice hasn't received any payments or credit notes and that you have the necessary permissions to edit sales. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to the sales area. This is where you manage all customer billing. From there, open the invoices section so you can see your full list of invoices. To quickly find invoices that can be voided, switch to the Awaiting Payment tab. Xero only allows voiding on invoices that are approved but unpaid, so this tab is the best place to work from. Choose the invoice you want to void and open it. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right one. Check the customer, date, and total. If you keep internal notes, it's a good idea to record why you're voiding this invoice for future reference, especially if your organization reviews changes at month end. Also, confirm there are no partial payments or allocations against it. If there are, you'll need to remove those first before you can proceed. With the invoice open, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the overflow menu, usually near the top right. Click it to reveal additional actions, then select void. Xero will prompt you to confirm. This is an important checkpoint. Voiding can't be undone, and it will update your financial reports for the period the invoice sits in. If your organization uses lock dates, you might need to adjust those or talk to your advisor before continuing. When you're sure, click void again to confirm. Xero will change the invoice status to voided, the balances will be zeroed out, and it will no longer appear in your outstanding amounts. The invoice stays on record, so your audit trail remains intact, showing clearly that it was voided rather than deleted. A couple of tips as you finish up. If you don't see the void option, the invoice may already be paid, credited, or you may lack the required permissions. Check those items first. After voiding, refresh your reports or the customer statement to see the updated totals. And if you intended to reduce or adjust an amount rather than cancel it entirely, consider issuing a credit note instead of voiding. That's it. You've successfully voided a Xero invoice while keeping your records clean and compliant.